This demonstration we're going to look at configuring network load balancing, affinity and port rules. First thing we'll do is we'll create a website. Once we've created the website, what we'll do is we'll set up our affinity for our network load balance cluster nodes, and then finally what we'll do is we'll configure our network load balancing port rules. What we're going to do to start with is we're going to create a website. I've come onto one of my servers, and what we're going to do at this point here is we'll come into PowerShell, as we can see, and we'll run some PowerShell commandlets just to create our website. First thing I'll do at this point here is we'll just make a directory called port test. And after we've created that directory, what we'll do is we'll copy some files into this folder. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to do next copy subfolders from c:\inetpub\www root, and we'll actually copy that into our c:\port test folder. Next command we'll run is new -website, -name port test, -physical path. We'll put that in the c:\port test, and what we'll do is we'll listen on port 5678. And finally what we'll do is we'll do a new -net firewall rule. We'll do display name is port test, protocol is TCP, local port will be 5678. Now we've done this, next thing to do is to actually come in and configure our network load balancing port rules. So what we'll do is we'll just move over to our other server and launch up our network load balancing manager. So if we attach back through to our network load balancing cluster, we'll just right click, we'll just come down to our cluster properties, and what we'll do is we'll come to port rules, and all we're going to do is just remove this default that allows everything. So we'll remove that. We'll just select OK. Then what we'll do is we'll come in and we'll create some new port rules. So again, we'll just right click, we'll come back to cluster properties, we'll come back to our port rules, and what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to select our add button. This brings us into an add edit port rule. So what we'll do is we'll fill out some of this information. So at this point here, what we've done is we've came in, we went for port range, and in the port range, all we've done here is we've gone from port 80 to port 80. Protocols will be both TCP and UDP. We're going to go for filtering mode to be multiple host, and we're not going to set any affinity for this range here, so users can come in and leave on any server. And at this point here, we'll select OK, and then what we'll do is we'll select OK. Then what we'll do is we'll just wait for everything to converge. And what we'll also do as well is we'll just right click on our cluster again, we'll come back to our cluster properties, we'll come back to our port rules, and we'll select add. And what we're going to do at this point here is we're now going to create one for our 5678 port that we've just set up. So we'll come in here, we'll just go 5678, and we'll do that through to 5678. But the main thing to click at this point here is we're not going to go for multiple hosts at this point here. What we're going to go for is we're going to go for single host, because remember I created the website only on one of the servers. Then what we'll do is we'll just select OK. Again we'll select OK, and what we'll do again we'll just wait for the cluster to converge. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll just come to LONServe 1, because this is not running the website, and what we'll do at this point here is we're just going to come into our properties for this server. So we'll come to host properties. Then what we'll do within host properties, what we're looking for here is we're just looking for the port rules tab. And on the port rules tab, what we want to do at this point here is we just want to modify the priority for 5678. And what we'll do here is we'll specify this with a handling priority of, let's make it 25. So we'll select OK at this point here and select OK. So what we've done there, by modifying the priority on LONServe 1 and not modifying the priority on LONServe 2, any requests coming in for port 5678 will be passed to LON-serve 2. We've set this up as single host, so at this point here as well, all requests will come into LONServe 2 for any data traffic on port 5678. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.